Stop fearing eggs. Eating 3 to 4 eggs every day might be one of the smartest nutrition decisions you can make. Eggs provide high-quality protein for muscle repair minerals and healthy fats. Don't fear the yolk! Today, I want to explain why eggs are one of the most powerful foods on the planet, and why cholesterol fear around eggs is pure myth. Protein. Eggs are loaded with minerals your body needs. So eat 3 to 4 eggs daily. Let's start with this. Eggs do not cause cholesterol problems. That idea came from outdated propaganda, not real science. In fact, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals that support muscle growth and overall health. So what makes eggs special? First, protein quality. Eggs have the highest biological value of any protein. And forget the cholesterol myth. Eggs raise good HDL, not bad LDL minerals. Eat 3 to 4 daily. Let's bust a myth. Egg cholesterol is harmless. Egg protein is superior, absorbed more efficiently than from meat or fish. This fuels your muscles, enhancing strength and recovery. 3 to 4 eggs daily is optimal for gains. Protein doesn't just build muscle. It repairs tendons, ligaments, joints, builds hormones, enzymes, and even fuels the body. Forget the myths. Eggs are a superfood packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals for peak performance. Here's the meat protein. Your body can only use 10 to 20% as fuel. From a whole egg, up to 65% can be used as fuel. Eggs are packed with nutrients. Let's debunk the cholesterol myth. Dietary cholesterol doesn't raise blood cholesterol. Eggs boost healthy HDL. They're rich in high-quality proteins and on B12. This makes eggs a survival food. Eat 3 to 4 eggs daily for maximum benefits. They don't raise bad cholesterol. They boost the good kind. Packed with protein mineral. But it gets better. Eggs contain natural antimicrobial compounds that protect against bacteria. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, and they contain all essential amino acids, including leucine, the most important for muscle growth. So enjoy 3 to 4 eggs daily for optimal results. Eating 3 to 4 eggs daily provides high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Don't worry about cholesterol. Eggs won't raise your bad cholesterol. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, critical for preventing fatty liver, brain function. The idea that eggs raise bad cholesterol is a myth. They actually raise good HDL. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein. Eggs support fat digestion and DNA repair. Many people genetically struggle to absorb choline. Eggs solve that problem. Eat 3-4 eggs daily. They're packed with protein and vitamins for muscle growth. Forget the cholesterol myth. Eggs are heart health. Top of that, eggs contain powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes, retina. Eating 3 to 4 eggs daily gives you high-quality protein for muscle building. They provide essential vitamins and minerals, boosting your overall health. For your brain, eggs improve memory, focus, and protect against aging. So power up with eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with vitamins and minerals. You also get vitamin A for your immune system, skin, and organs, vitamin D for strong bones, and vitamin K2, which keeps calcium out of arteries and joints. Eggs provide protein that puts it into bones, compounds that help lower blood pressure. Now, quick tip on egg quality. Eating 3 to 4 eggs daily boosts muscle repair and brain function with high protein and vitamins. Dietary cholesterol in eggs has little impact on blood levels, but even better than most processed protein sources. If eggs are what you can afford, eat them. They're worth it. Don't overcook them. Runny yolks equals more nutrients absorbed. Eggs are not just food, they're a biological powerhouse. They provide protein for muscle repair and growth. Vitamins and minerals boost your brain and energy. 3 to 4 eggs a day is a smart move. Hey everyone, let's talk about eggs. You need 3 to 4 daily for the protein and vitamins. And don't worry about cholesterol. Eggs won't raise your levels. They're packed with nutrients. So enjoy your eggs and keep training. Like and subscribe for more tips.